Question 71. What is required in the seventh commandment? Answer. The seventh commandment requireth the preservation of our own and our neighbour's chastity in heart, speech, and behaviour. The Bible verses referenced for this answer are 1 Corinthians chapter 7, verses 2 to 3 and 5. Verses 2 to 3. Nevertheless, to avoid fornication, let every man have his own wife, and let every woman have her own husband. Let the husband render unto the wife due benevolence, and likewise also the wife unto the husband. Verse 5. Defraud ye not one the other, except to be with consent for a time, that ye may give yourselves to fasting and prayer, and come together again, that Satan tempt you not for your incontinency. 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verses 3 to 5. For this is the will of God, even your sanctification, that ye should abstain from fornication, that every one of you should know how to possess his vessel in sanctification and honour, not in the lust of concupiscence, even as the Gentiles which know not God.